Okay, guys, I'm back. So, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna oh, I think I know why. This thing is folded first. Alright, so I'm gonna just oh my god, what happened, man? Okay. Okay, that's done. Okay. So once it's all the water, once you spray it down, I guess the only thing left to do is dry the car. Which I'm going to use something that I just bought as well. Okay guys, I just bought this blower, air blower from Shopee as well. It's called the Mokita 9980VF. Let's see how this works, man. Alright, so as you can see, there's water all around the car. So to effectively dry it, I'm using the blower. Okay, it's not that bad. Okay, seriously, it's not bad. Okay, the only thing that it keeps on like switching on and off because I guess it doesn't want the motor to be working. Okay, I think that would do for now. It's not a bad product. It's very cheap, only about 30 ringgit. Which I'm going to share you the link later. Alright, so of course I need to towel it down, towel it dry, sorry. I should do the windscreen first. Because the Car Pro microfiber cloth works better after being a bit damp. When it's totally dry, it doesn't absorb as well as when it has a bit of dampness to it. Hope you understand what I mean. Yep. So as you wipe the glass first, you would get the cloth to be more absorbent. After it's damped a bit. Otherwise, when it's totally dry, it takes a while to absorb. Okay, now it's perfect. Now you can do this. Okay. Normally I use another towel for the bottom part of the car. So this one only for the top surface. Okay, the air jet blower does a pretty decent job of clearing some of the water away. Of course, my car is like not being polished or having any sort of coating as it is now. Haven't had the time to send my car for proper detailing yet. So that's why the water still sticks on the car. It's not as what's that word? Waterphobic? Yeah. It's okay. I still maintain the car's paint by regularly washing my car, keeping it clean. So as long as you do that, yeah, you're good. So the top layer of the car is done. Next, I'll use another towel, which is this one.